We're now halfway. Here is contestant number 6, Miss FIA Dance Academy. Her name is Halamehi 21 years old. We are now in the Kiekie creation. For those of you who have just joined us, there are 3 competitions tonight. Halamehi Tuimana hails from the villages of Kolomotua, Longolongo, Hofoa, and Fuamotu. She is currently employed at DSL Logistics and is a proud student of the FIA Dance Academy. Halamehi's future aspiration is to further her education and complete a university degree. Her hobbies are based around traveling and exploring new places with her family and friends. Growing up, God has and continues to be a big part of who she is and what she strives to become as a person. Please put your hands together again for Miss FIA Dance Academy. We'd again like to acknowledge some of our sponsors, Fiji Airways, Tala moka pu e whakatapu, kai hufanga he tala malo e whanua. Ko hingoa ko Halamehi Tuimana, ta ua taha e ni pagofa fufunga i atu ai FIA Dance Academy. Ko Kiekie e ngā ia, e whakamanatu ki he Tonga, aho tau tala whatunga loa, motua. Ko e noo o e whakapa-apa. O ngā hia me he lau kaka, aia ne hifo me hau matutu o kolomaile me he funga whanua. O toka laloa e whita a kihina o e funga whaatoto me koulo hapai masani. Ne paki whakalau te lau e kāinga o siulua e lou niu o e taulanga ko pako, mo e taulanga ko lolo o wawa. Pe haalo me he vai ko toko mea seuke, ne tō whaki mai siu o whakataka ake purukafa o e hala sipu me he sia ko veiongo mo e toa ko maafu. Kai tui tā kai e kau whewhine, me he api ko whakaana wā i he mafoa ai ata seuke, ko te ongo i e mālohi, pia mo e māwhana, o e wha i ka vei koula. Ko nono o ke toko ngaloto ke tālai, ai te lau kau aki a hototonga. Ko hono ku pesi ko manlua, whataka ai tua niu aki a ka vele i pulu, pia tui whamau ki he kaponga. O ku konga tolu i he kaponga e taha, o whafofonga ai sino atamai mo e lau maalie. Isa ko tuha ia whiwhine tonga, ke tu o taki i he whanonga aki ai whalala o tua. Ko hingoa o Kiekie, ko kie o whine FIA. Ko whamanatu o FIA, ne whai e he mātua pe mo FIA Dance Academy pe o kounga mooni. O whaatu me he Miss FIA Dance Academy Halamehi Tuimana. Ka take o paspasi i mai. Again, we'd like to thank our major sponsors tonight, BSB, Tonga Development Bank. Also thank Fiji Airways, Tanoa. We now welcome contestant number 6, Miss FIA Dance Academy, Halamehi Tuimana. Maloilele. Kia ora, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening, Halamehi Tuimana is your Miss FIA Dance Academy 2023. She'll take you on a trip to the beautiful shores of Aotearoa. The sarong for this evening is a design perfect for a swim at the local Karekare Beach water or a simple tan and picnic on the sand. The color of the sarong is a reflection of the green beauty that surrounds not only the kingdom, but her homeland Aotearoa. The top of the sarong is a rendition of modern-day swimwear that begins as an elegant one-shoulder sleeve. The sleeve is wrapped as a beautiful shell native to our Pacific Islands. She's chosen to place the shell on her shoulder as representation of the dominant role Tongan women play in society. Women hold the weight of everyone on their shoulders and do so with elegance and pride. The sarong then flows into a simple beach skirt, which is accompanied by a knot on the right side. Tonight, she has accessories with her sarong, which has a white beach shell gathered from the shores of Kolomaile Eua. To complete her sarong wear for this evening, she's chosen a simple yet elegant beach hat that reveals a handmade traditional sei or fafine weave from the finest kie and greenest sea. She's chosen this sarong to exemplify the beauty of nature that surrounds us and serves as a reminder of how beautiful Tonga, my kingdom, is. Malo Aupito. And Fafetai, your Miss FIA Dance Academy 2023. We have 12 contestants. We are halfway through our second program. We are doing great, Tonga. The role of a Tongan woman is second to none, the most crucial and dominant position in a family, some say. The ideology of sisters or mothers automatically places a female as a dignified leader to her superior or males. Halamehi Tuimana's talent this evening is a great representation of the key role women in her life. She begins by journeying through the relationship she shares with her grandmother, Luciane Tonga Onevai, and the gentle love a grandmother shares with her grandchild. She then moves on to show us the relationship an older sister shares with a younger sister, where the vibe between siblings is eternal and at its best. Halamehi finishes her talent with the most important relationship of all, the love of a mother. Hange koe lau koe tamatu uhefae is the enduring connection between mother and child. Like mother and child, our late Queen, Her Majesty, Queen Salote Tupo III, is the epitome of a strong woman. She embodies all the qualities of a grandmother, a sister, and a mother who displays the importance of a woman to her kainga. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the talent by Miss FIA Dance Academy 2023, Halamehi Tuimana.
Kuni kamauna I kala iu wai ale ale la I wai lua Hiki a ela I kalani ka papa au wai o ka wai kini Alaia ela inunu na loka I puha ka laula mauka o ka paai mai paai ka leu He uli ka he mai
A girl's first muse is her grandmother. A grandmother weaves the bond of the world to one's soul. She is strong, she is wise, but above all things, she is love. Later in a girl's life, she must learn to lead her own. As an older sister, she now has a responsibility to protect and love unconditionally. In the end, a girl always returns home, back to the embrace of understanding and the dependability of a mother's love.
And that is your Miss FIA Dance Academy, contestant number 6, the beautiful Halamehi Tuimana.